Guys, let's be honest. That small jar of Vaseline sitting in your cabinet, you think it's just for minor scrapes. Wrong. This cheap, tiny product is the ultimate cheat code for looking clean, healthy, and incredibly put together. You're wasting cash on expensive junk when this $3 jar can do the job better. I'm giving you 5 game-changing Vaseline hacks that will completely level up your looks, from your skin to your scent. Get ready to save money and look better than ever. Let's go. Hack 1. Make your cologne last all day. Stop wasting money. Are you spending good money on a killer cologne only to have the scent vanish after your morning commute? That's literally flushing cash down the toilet. Vaseline is the secret weapon for all-day scent. Here's the simple power move. Dab. Take a tiny amount of Vaseline. Hit your main pulse points, neck, wrists, behind the ears. Spray. Now spray your cologne right on top. It locks in the fragrance. Now you smell amazing from morning till night. Hack 2. Instant pro-level brows and beard tamer. People seriously underestimate the power of neat eyebrows. They frame your face and instantly make you look sharper. Want that clean, just groomed look without a pencil? Take a tiny dab of Vaseline and rub it between your thumb and forefinger. Brush through. Gently brush it through your eyebrows. It gives them a natural, healthy sheen, locks stray hairs down, and makes them look thicker and defined. Hack 3. The no frizz, I woke up like this hair shine. If your hair is dry, dull, or a frizz ball, listen up. You want hair that looks naturally vibrant, not greasy or helmet-like. This is the key. Moderation. Trace amount. Take an absolute trace of Vaseline. Think less than a single grain of rice. Melt it or rub it aggressively between your palms until you can barely see it. This delivers a clean, hydrated shine and kills frizz. Hack 4. The nightly health reset. No more chapped lips. Dry, flaky, chapped lips ruin your whole face's appearance. Before bed, take your toothbrush, wet with warm water, and gently brush your lips for 20 seconds. This removes all the dead, flaky skin. Apply a thin, even layer of Vaseline right after. It works all night to heal and hydrate. You wake up with smooth, soft lips, no sticky product needed. This is a subtle improvement that makes a huge difference to your overall freshness. Hack 5. Banish tired eyes and fake the glow. Late nights happen, but they don't have to show on your face. You can literally fake that 8 hours of sleep look. Overnight magic. Before you go to sleep, gently dab a tiny amount of Vaseline under your eyes and along the top of your cheekbones. It locks in moisture overnight, helping your skin repair itself. When you wake up, wash your face with cold water or even an ice cube massage. Your skin will look smoother, less puffy, and noticeably brighter and less fatigued. It's an instant energy boost for your face. There you have it. 5 simple, high-impact moves using a product that costs less than your morning coffee. If this video saved you money and upgraded your look, hit that like button right now. Subscribe for more simple, budget-friendly style hacks.